In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bold text in Figma. Start by opening your design so you can see the canvas and your layers panel. Locate the text you want to adjust, then click to select its text box. With the text box selected, look to the right-hand sidebar. Make sure you are on the Design tab, then find the Typography section. Here, you'll see the font family, and just next to it, a control for weight. Click that weight control and choose a heavier option, such as bold, semi-bold, or black. The exact names and availability depend on the font you are using. Some fonts include many weights while others only offer a few. Picking a heavier weight increases emphasis without changing size, which is perfect for headings, subheads, and key phrases. If your font supports it, you might also see numeric weights or a slider. Higher numbers or moving the slider to the right will give you a bolder look. If you prefer a faster method, use the keyboard shortcut. On a Mac, press Command+B. On Windows, press Ctrl+B. This toggles bold on and off. If the entire text box is selected, the whole block will switch to bold. If your text cursor is active within the text and you've highlighted just a portion, only that selection will change. This is a simple way to move quickly without leaving the canvas for the sidebar every time. For partial bold styling, double-click the text layer to enter edit mode. Drag to highlight the specific words or characters you want to emphasize. Then, either choose a heavier weight from the typography section or use the Command or Ctrl+B shortcut. This selective approach helps establish a clear hierarchy in your design, great for emphasizing dates, names, or action words in a sentence, while keeping the rest of the text readable and balanced. A few quick tips as you work. If you don't see a bold option, the current font may not include that weight. Try semi-bold or another heavier option if available, or switch to a font family that offers bold weights. Keep consistency in mind, use bold intentionally so the most important information stands out. Zoom to 100% to judge how the weight looks at actual size and adjust as needed. And if you make a change you don't love, use undo with Command or Ctrl+C to step back. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.